Hello, my name is Bob Evans and I'm going to give you a quick overview of king post retaining walls. So this is what a king post retaining wall looks like. It's a cantilever design, which means this is trying to bend this way, and there's all sorts of bending moments going on within the column. The columns are embedded into the ground. They can either be driven or vibrated, or the hole is augered and the post put in and then concreted. So this is essentially the design. Once all the posts are complete, the panels can then be dropped in. Just let me show you some of the panels. So these are textured panels for the domestic housing market, and they're very effective at low level, as you can see, and they're quite cost effective also at low level. Let me show you the more industrial type units. So these are plain concrete for industrial type use. The technique for installing the piles is either to drive them or to vibrate them into the ground. If they're going to be vibrated, the ground needs to be suitable for vibration. Alternatively, the posts can be drilled out using an auger. The posts are then put into the hole and then concreted in. And as you can see, king posts are very handy to actually reinstate or repair or renew existing retaining walls, as you can get quite close to the retaining wall and they don't use much space. Let me show you the design table. These are approximate designs only, and king post retaining walls are very effective at low level but become very expensive at high level, because the amount of post that needs to go into the ground is quite significant, and I'll show you the price differences in a minute. These are the heights of the wall, and these are the post centers just for this particular design. These are the steels being used, and then this is the embedment length for each height. So for example, on 3.5 meters, the posts are 9 meters long and can be very expensive. But having said that, at low level, they're a very effective solution. The design parameters for the designs above, so we use a ground bearing pressure of 200 kilopascals and a surcharge of 10 kilonewtons. Every design is different. I highly recommend that you go to the retaining wall design page to learn more about the design process. This is a budget calculator for king posts. So the way this works is, we've got a wall height of 1.5 meters and it's 100 meters long. That's 150 square meters using a rate of £281 a square meter, and that's the budget, 42,150. So this rate comes from this height here, 281. I've also given you a breakdown of labour, plant and materials, and you can also look at those budgets. This is very approximate. The prices can go up and down depending on location and lots of other different reasons. So you can use this as a budget only. So what to do next? The next step is to ask any questions by completing a form below, or complete the form for a price request. Thank you for listening. Bye for now.